Okay, we have gnats and flies everywhere in this house, and we thought we would try something different. This is the 2X indoor flying insect trap. It's got that UV light that attracts mosquitoes, houseflies, gnats, fungus, gnats, all that stuff. I just installed this probably about 30 seconds ago, and it's already attracted this little gnat. I'm gonna let this run for about 24 hours, and then I'm gonna come back and let you know how well it works. But so far, super easy to use. I just had to plug it into the wall, basic plug-in, and then I had to press the power button, and then I also just had to make sure that I put in one of those sticky pads that come provided. Comes with several replacement sticky pads. They look like this, and they're really easy to use. You just peel off both sides, a line on the inside of this part right here in the middle, and then it's going to stick to it. And then you can basically just put that cartridge, this thing here, you can put that back into the device. So really easy so far to use. Let's see if it actually works at attracting moths, houseflies, gnats, because we've got several different types of flies, several different types of gnats, and then also moths right now. I don't know what's going on, but we got all kinds of pests that this hopefully will help us minimize that problem and maybe even completely eliminate it. So let's go ahead and we'll see where this is at after 24 hours. All right, so it has been 24 hours. Let's go ahead and take a look at this trap and see how many gnats we've captured. All right, so I think we've got about 15, 20 gnats here, maybe more. So this is working really well to get those smaller gnat-like insects like fungus gnats and fruit flies. Seems to be working really well, but I don't see any moths or larger flies yet. So I'll keep you updated, but just wanted to show you what this looks like and what you might expect to see within the first few hours of using this. And so far, I'm really happy with it. It's completely silent. There's no noise. I will say I thought this was a fan. Not a fan, but more of like a vacuum. I thought it was actually going to be pulling bugs in, and it is not a fan or vacuum or anything like that. It has no noise, and it's just the UV light on the inside, but it does have two sides where the bugs can get trapped, and you can see that there's already some in there still flying in. All right, and here's a quick update. It's been a couple weeks, and we have tons of fruit flies, gnats, and even a housefly up here caught. And I love that it's quiet. I love that I can just plug it in and forget about it. And it's not too bulky or anything like that. So I just want to give you a quick update. Notice how no moths are in here though, like pantry moths. It doesn't really work that well for pantry moths or anything like that. So keep that in mind. But otherwise, I'm noticing a dramatic reduction in flying pests and flying insects in the house. And I think that this device here has definitely helped us out a lot. And it's just silent and running on autopilot. So I hope this helps. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.